Are you tired of buying game changer software that just sits unused in your tech stack? I've wasted thousands of dollars on tools that promised to revolutionize my business, but ended up creating more problems than they solved. The real cost isn't just the money, it's the cluttered workflows, the time spent learning systems you'll never use, and that nagging buyer's remorse. That's why I developed a simple 3 test checklist that cuts through all the marketing hype. By the end of this video, you're going to have the exact framework I use to evaluate every piece of software before I spend a dime, so you can make confident decisions for your tech stack. The first test is strategic fit. Here's the critical question you need to ask. Is this actually built for a solopreneur, or does it require an enterprise team to manage? I use a simple filter. If I can't describe the specific problem this solves in one sentence, it fails immediately. Red flag: any tool that needs 3 people just to keep it running. For example, an email marketing platform designed specifically for solo creators is a pass. An enterprise CRM with features you'll never touch? That's a fail. The suitability test is non negotiable. If this tool doesn't match your business size and actual workflow, it doesn't matter how many features it has. Now, let's talk competitive advantage. This is where most people get it wrong. The question you need to answer is, what does this tool do that free or cheaper alternatives can't? I look at the ROI in 2 ways. If it's a lifetime deal, what's the investment versus paying monthly? SaaS fees for years. And does this tool replace 2 existing tools, or is it just duplicating something you already have? Here's a past example: an automation tool that saves you 10 hours every month versus a basic scheduler that just moves tasks around. A fail example: paying $50 a month for features you're getting free somewhere else. The value test is simple. If it doesn't provide measurable time savings or money savings, it fails. The third test is support and development quality. You need to ask, is this company actually invested in their product's future? Here's what I look for: responsive support that answers questions in hours, not days; regular product updates that show active development; and a team that listens to user feedback and implements changes. A tool with live chat support, monthly feature releases, and an active roadmap based on user requests. That's a pass. Software with no updates in 6 months, support tickets that go unanswered, and zero community engagement? That's a fail. The longevity test is critical. If the developers aren't committed to improving the product, you're buying a tool that's already dying. So here's your key takeaway: run every single tool through these 3 tests before you buy: strategic fit, competitive advantage, and support quality. That's it. If you want honest software reviews without the hype, hit that like button and subscribe so you get notified every time I release a new review.